All right, what's up, YouTube? This is my 2018 F250 with a 2-inch rough country up in the front on some Nitto Terra grapplers. As you can see, it fills it up pretty good right there. Barely any space. They ride pretty good. They just hit back there because they're like kind of wider. They're like almost a 37 by close to a 14 wide of a tire. So you can see. Yeah. They ride pretty nice. The only thing is I got the wrong rating on the load, so I kind of had to run it on less air. Pretty wide tires on the stock King Ranch rims. Sorry about the cat. Let's get in the video. And the dog. Here we go. Better view. Yeah, he wants to be annoying. Yeah, but they fit pretty good. As you can see, look pretty good. Go around right here. I'm thinking about adding some 2-inch spacers here in the future. Don't mind the dog, he's going crazy over there. You can see the reflection. Yeah. The only thing I might do different on this Bubba truck, might get a lift pretty soon and some 2-inch spacers. But pretty much my mileage only dropped like about maybe 1.5 miles per gallon. I was getting like 18, now I'm getting 16.5. Depends on how I drive, pretty much. But yeah, they're close to 37s. They're wider, they're about 14 inches wide almost, just about. So they do rub on the inside whenever you try to turn. So you get like 2 full turns just about, maybe. And then they start rubbing, you could hear it. So let me know if you like this setup. The ride's pretty good. Of course, it's on a 2-inch rough country leveling kit. Should have went 2.5, but oh well. And I got Bilsteins in them, so that pretty much helps the ride out. Oh, and there's my old project truck, the 96 Chevy. 6-inch lift, 3-inch body lift, 33s. All right, like and comment. I might do a video for that truck. Subscribe, please. Almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.